In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add text over image on your Wix website. So first we have to upload the image itself. So I'm going to use the search tool and I'm going to search for image. And I actually see it from the site, so I'm just going to click on add elements here and I'm going to go to image and upload images. So from here we can upload from our computer. I'm just going to do this image that I have saved on my desktop. So once it has been uploaded, you can track the uploading process here from the side. So just give it some time to upload. And once it has been uploaded, we can add this to page. So I'm just going to add this image to the page, as you can see right here. And I'm going to zoom out. So we want to type out text over it. So basically all we have to do is go to search and we're going to search for text. And here we can do text box, rich text, or paragraph text. I'm going to do text box. So I'm just going to click on here. Or if it doesn't work, we can do rich text or paragraph text. All right, let's do paragraph text here. And we can select whichever font we would like. I'm going to this one. Going to do this one, and I'm just going to drag it and drop it. And here we can actually customize the text itself. So we can customize the color so it's more visible. We can do the different theme colors as well. And if you want to customize this text, then basically you have to close out of this and just highlight it, and you can change it to whatever you would like. So you can do epic image. You can also increase the font size here by dragging this. So if you highlight it and you increase the font size, so if you want to increase the whole font size, then you just gotta highlight it all and drag the slider here. And now, as you can see, we have the text over the image itself. And the important thing here is that you upload your image first and then you add the text. So that way it can overlap your image. So hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.